Hmm. It's a cloud-based
Cloud-based data warehouse tool.
data warehouse. So this is mainly for what? So this is mainly for
Analytical.
data storage, data processing. These are the basic things you should understand. So data processing and data analytics. Analytics. Simple thing. Okay, so these are the same. So this is cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for storaging purpose, processing, and analytics purpose. Okay, so this is mainly for OLAP system. What's the abbreviation for OLAP? Anyone abbreviation? It's a online
Online analytical
Analytical
process.
processing.
analytical processing. So processing mainly for what? Mainly for current data plus what type of data we
Historical.
should have? Historical
Historical.
data. Historical. So company's data we need to store current data plus historical data. Okay, it handle huge volumes or less volumes of data. So Snowflake can handle
Huge
huge
volume.
volumes of data.
Yes.
Okay, so okay. Huge volumes in a sense like what? Huge volumes in a sense like what?
Petabytes,
Millions and
terabytes.
billions.
Millions of data in a sense like what? It can be terabytes to petabytes of
Petabytes.
volumes. Okay, so these are the basic things. Okay, see, it can handle huge volumes of data, terabytes to petabytes of data, petabytes of volume. Same thing, Snowflake is a SaaS model. I'll explain each detail. What is SaaS model? What exactly it means? SaaS, nothing but what?
Software as a service.
What exactly it is means by what?
So we don't need to install anything. So
Anything. So simple thing, I'll try to explain. So see, it's a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for storing huge volumes of data, processing and analytics. So simply it's an analytical solution. Okay, so this is the functionality. Next one is that what you handle huge volumes of data. What it says? It says software as a service. In the sense like what? No need to install any software or any hardware. Okay, so create account and work on it. Simple thing. Okay, so this is the same thing. Next one is that what simple use case. I'll try to give you simple thing so that we'll get some clarity. So these are basic things. Okay, just you should have understanding of what is what kind of thing. Okay, see. So you should know Paint, PowerPoint, all the things. Okay. So Praveen is there. Okay. And here Kumar is there. Tell me, this is one person, this is one person. How they're communicating by using what concept? Tell me. So I want to communicate with this guy. How can I communicate?
Language medium.
By using a language is the medium. Okay, so it can be language. It can be Telugu, Hindi, English. Okay, depends on the other person. Same thing in a similar fashion. Okay, so Control C, Control V. Okay, same thing. So here, so see the same, this is important. Here it can be database, data warehouse. Okay, suppose like the or Snowflake. Now point is that what now? I want to communicate with the database, data warehouse or Snowflake. Tell me how can I communicate by using which concept? Anybody? Anybody?
SQL
So,
query.
so SQL. So see, point is that what these are human beings. They can able to communicate by using a language called any of the language. Same thing. This is okay, human being, and this is the database. But what happened now? I want to communicate with this database. I want to fetch some data. Now here also what? Here also should go for one language. What is that language? Language. That is what a
SQL query
language?
language, structured query
SQL,
language.
SQL. So see, point is that what if I want to communicate with database, data warehouse, or Snowflake, we should go for what concept? Go for what? Hmm, Go for SQL. Okay, see. So it is acts as a bridge between user and database or data warehouse. Okay, see, point is that what if I want to communicate with Snowflake. Tell me how to communicate with Snowflake by using what concept? By using concept of SQL. Okay, SQL.
SQL.
So what is SQL abbreviation important? So today's sessions are important. Tell me what is SQL?
Struc- Structured query language.
Structured query
Language.
language. What exactly it is to structure? It acts as a bridge between user and database. Okay, it's like a communication between user and database. So this is the user and this is the Snowflake or anything. Now tell me now this is fine. Before that, tell me Snowflake is mainly for what? Mainly for data migration project. Tell me what is data migration project? Anybody? What is data
Migrating
migration?
the data
So
from legacy systems to
migrating the data from one data source to Snowflake. So these are basics. You can see one more time. So we are trying to migrate the existing data from on-premises or cloud to Snowflake. What exactly we are trying to migrate? We are trying to migrate the tables, the views, the functions, and the procedures. Okay, so this is the procedures we are trying to migrate. One more time, see the same functionality. Now see this PPT. So this flow is important. Okay, see, let me take the same thing. So see, we are saying like Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. Now our data can be file format, that is CSV files, Excel files, text files, JSON files. So now data is sitting here. Now next step is that what? Okay, see, same thing. It can be MySQL database, Oracle database, SQL Server, PostgreSQL are same thing. It can be cloud, SAP HANA, Redshift. Now see, point is that what my company's data is in flat files, on-premises data, and the cloud system. Now what happened? Okay, tell me now. Company are asking to move this data to Snowflake. So this is called as what? Tell me. So moving this data from here to here, this is called as what? Called as. Name terminal is called as what?
migration.
This is called as what? Come again. So see now our data is sitting where? Sitting in the see on-premises or cloud. This data we need to move to Snowflake. So this is called as what?
Extracting.
This is called as data migration. No? Data migration. Okay, see, point is that what? One second, please. Okay, see. Now here point is that what now see. Now our data is there in file systems, Oracle database, SAP HANA. Now company are asking to move this data from here to Snowflake. So this is called as what? Data migration from one source to Snowflake. Now question is that what? Why we are migrating the data to Snowflake? Tell me why we are trying to migrate. Why we are trying to migrate?
Save the cost and improve the performance.
Okay, tell me. This is important. So you're saying like companies are moving this data to, this is called as data migration. Now, why the companies are want to migrate? What's the reason?
Easy
Because of
processing.
Fully
mainly
managed
for
service.
cost cutting. So this is main thing. And it's a SaaS model. SaaS is nothing but what? Okay, no need to install any software. So this is management. It's a fully managed. Okay, so fully managed. Any other things why companies are
Scalable.
moving?
It's a
Easily
scalable.
easily scalable. Okay, we can scale up and scale down. Okay, another thing.
Yeah, we can integrate with any other clouds whenever we want.
Scale up and scale down. Okay, see, multi-cloud supported. Okay, then another advantages. So cost cutting, SaaS model. Okay, see performance. Okay, base performance. Okay, see performance. Okay, so cost cutting, easily scalable, multi-cloud. Then
Storage and compute are not
okay, see,
coupled.
so loosely coupled. Okay, so see, storage and computer loosely coupled. We'll see the same thing later point of time. If you don't get computer loosely coupled. Okay. So see, remember, already my application is working fine here, but what happened because of huge volumes, because of performance, because of cost cutting, so because of security, so companies are asking to move to Snowflake. This is called as data migration. So we are trying to, so these are the process. Okay, see, cloud will be there. So here we need to build pipelines. So see, as a part of Snow, tell me what is our role? Our role is what? Role is Snowflake developer or Snowflake. We are called as what? Called as data engineer. Okay, engineer. Okay, see, simple thing. So we are Snowflake developer or data engineer. As a part of Snowflake developer, data engineer, okay, our day-to-day activity or the work will come like, our work will be like what? So moving the database objects like tables, views, okay, then functions and procedures. Okay, see, so mainly our job will be involved in data migration objects like tables we need to migrate, so views we should migrate, functions and procedures. Next one is that what, after migrating, now what we should do, we should do data validation. So data validation, okay, so data validation, then data transformation, okay, and data automation. So see, data automation. Okay. Now question is that what? Now how can you perform data validation, data transformation, data automation? Basing which concept? Basing what? I want to perform validation, transformation, automation. Now how can you perform basing which concept?
SQL,
Using
writing
SQL now, so
SQL.
SQL query is the same thing. So point is that what, now how to communicate with Snowflake or anything, we should go for what? We should go for a language called as SQL. So by using SQL, I can able to perform the validation thing, transformation thing, and automation. So this is the main thing. Okay, see one more time. So see, I want to communicate with the Snowflake and I want to perform the validation part, the transformation part, and the automation part. How can you perform by using what? By using SQL concept. Ultimately, now what happens? See, now we need to build the dashboards. Okay, dashboard nothing but what? Like this, nothing but the visualization thing. Ultimately, the company's data they want to bring here, do the validation part, do the transformation part, and give the Power BI. They try to build the dashboard. So this is mainly for Snowflake is mainly for data migration project and data analytics. Analytics. Okay, see, handle huge volumes of data without anything. Now here what happen if I want to perform anything, I should require what? I should require SQL language. So SQL is nothing but what? So it's a structured query language. It is used to communicate with the Snowflake and perform the necessary activities. Okay, see now any doubts so far? See one more time, try to conclude. So these basics are important. It's a Snowflake is it's a what? It's a cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, so mainly for OLAP, mainly for analytical solution. So this is for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, it handle huge volumes of data. So we should have it handle huge volumes of data without anything. Okay, and it can perform. Okay, see, mainly for what? Mainly for company. It's mainly for data migration project. Okay, so okay, right now the projects are mainly for migration projects. Okay, see, moving their on-premises or cloud data to Snowflake. So this is called as data migration project. So this is when this is the functionality. Okay, so far good. Okay, next one is that what? So data migration project. Okay, next one, what exactly we're trying to migrate? The tables. So in the phases will be there. In the phase one, okay, in the phase one, what you're trying to migrate? Migrate tables. In the second phase, we try to migrate what? Migrate views. Okay. In the third phase, we are trying to migrate
Procedures and
procedures and functions. Okay, see. So see, remember, if I want to migrate procedure, what? The processes are built on tables and views. So that's why what? So that's why. So point is that what? First phase tables, second phase views, third phase process and functions. Question is that what? Tell me now. Tables will be 5 to 10 tables. Now tell me. in real time?
Hundreds of
No,
hundreds
okay,
of tables.
100. So see 500 to 1000 plus tables will be there. Okay, so depends on the project. So 200 plus views. Okay, and hundreds of procedures will be there. Okay, so this is okay. See, so that's why it's take what? How many months projects? 1 to 2 months project. Tell me.
1 to
No,
2 years.
Near 1 year
to
project.
1 year project will be there. 2 years project will be so 1 to 2 years projects will be there. Okay, so this is the function. So see, it's like okay, it will take so much of time because we should extract the data, do the it's like okay, see 1 to 2 years. So functions and process like it's a reusable code. Functions and process are. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay. Now point is that what now? How to communicate with the Snowflake by using what? By using which concept? By using SQL. Okay, SQL. So see, SQL is coming to picture. Structured query language. Okay, see, point is that what now? So with the help of SQL, now I want to migrate these objects. I want to validate this object. I want to transform and automate this process by using what concept? By using SQL, structured query language. Okay, it acts as a bridge between whom? Between us, nothing but what user and Snowflake. So here us is nothing but what? We are what? We are Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. So as a part of Snowflake developer or data engineer, I should communicate with Snowflake. How can I communicate? By using a concept of called SQL. Okay, so this is important. Now come to the topic. Now again, what see if I go for English, what happen? English, if you take English as the language, we'll have alphabets will be there. Same thing in SQL also will have what? We'll have the things what is called as SQL commands. Okay, or SQL important languages are SQL. Then what?
Statements.
SQL statements. Or one more abbreviation is there that is called as so basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, see SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statement. So basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, all are called as what? These are called as DDL. Then anyone knows sir, these are important. If you know this thing,
Yes.
almost like 30% of SQL will be completed. So SQL commands,
DQL.
SQL languages, statements. So these are called as TCL. Then one more thing, DQL
DQL.
or DRL. One more thing, important thing, DDL, DML, TCL, and then
DCL.
tell me. So DDL, DML, TCL, DKL. One more thing is there. Okay, tell me. No. So DCL. So CL. Okay, see. So remember, these are called as SQL commands, SQL languages, SQL statements. So basic building blocks of SQL. So what is DDL say? Data definition language. What is DML? Anybody? Abbreviations are important. Now
Data
data
manipulation.
manipulation language. Okay, so these are okay. Most of things knows basic things. Okay, see. So data definition, data manipulation. What is TCL say? Transaction
Transaction
control language. Okay, so then DQL it's a data abbreviation.
Data query language.
Retrieval or queries. Okay, so query language. Okay, we'll use this DQL mainly. Okay, then data control language. Okay, so these are important, but these are basic things. Okay, so data definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval or query, or data control language. Okay, see data definition language. Okay, then it's a manipulation language, transaction control language, and okay, retrieval or query and data control. So these are called as basic building blocks of SQL. So SQL. So these are main things. Okay, definition, manipulation, transaction, And okay, so we'll see the same thing, 1 or 2 sessions on particular topic. Okay, this will take some time. Okay, so we'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, so first we'll go for DDLs. Okay, so DDLs, data definition language. Tell me what the commands we're having. Commands in DDLs are the SQL statements.
Insert object.
No, that is DML. DDL definitions. Tell me.
Create
Anyone?
alter drop.
Create
So,
alter,
so
drop,
create, okay, alter, then
drop,
drop.
drop.
Okay, see, in Snowflake, we're having only 3 things: create statement, alter statement, drop statement. So DDL, create, alter, and drop. So data definition language, create statement, alter statement, drop statement. Okay, so these 3 are called as DDL statements or DDL commands. What is create will do? Anyone create? What exactly it will do? Create.
Create the
table.
objects, database objects.
So create. So see, point is that what? See, create. It's a definition. Create is nothing but what? To create. Create what? New
Yeah.
database objects. What are the objects we can have? Anybody? The databases,
Database
schemas,
Table,
then
view, function,
tables. Okay, views, functions,
procedure.
procedures.
sequences, procedures. So these are called as database objects. Okay, see, so these are called as database objects. So by using create, I can create new database objects like new databases, new schemas, new tables. So these are called as database objects. If I want to create anything, I should require create command, create command. What is alter? Anybody knows, sir? What is alter? We'll see the same thing in detail.
So
Anybody knows, sir?
altering
Modify the
the
existing
table,
data.
altering the objects.
Okay, so for like simple use case, I'm having one shirt. Okay, I purchased L size shirt. Okay, so my size is M. What I should do? What I should do? Go for the tailor. Make forward. Make alteration. Alteration. Same thing here also. What? Okay. So alter is nothing but what? It is used to what? Anybody can guess? I'll tell you. Explain. Modify the existing database
DB object.
objects. Okay, it can be adding a new column or dropping the columns. Okay, or renaming the columns. Okay, so this is called as what? Alter command. So alter is nothing but what it is to modify the existing database objects. Okay, then what is drop? Or drop is nothing but what? We'll see the same thing in practical. Drop is nothing but
Dropping the table,
removing the
database objects.
removing the database objects from where? From database. From database or data warehouse. Okay, so see, point is that what? Okay, see, drop is nothing but what? Removing the existing database object. It is used to modify the existing database. It is used to create the new database. It is a new database, existing database objects, removing and modifying. So this is the functionality. We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay, so let me go back here. So before that, we'll see create statement. Now I am trying to create the table. Anybody knows the syntax? Create table. Simple thing. Syntax.
Create table.
Create table. So table. So table name. So table name. Bracket open. Bracket close. Semicolon. See, create table. Table name. So these are the same thing. So column 1, data type 1. Okay. So you should say whatever is column 1. So column 2, data type. Okay, see data. Column 3. So data, we can have multiple columns. Okay, see. So column name, data type, comma, column 2, data type, column 3, data type. Now here point is that what is data type? Anybody? So essentially data type. What is data type then? Anybody?
Type of the data it stores, like a varchar or integer.
So what type of data? See which type of data we are storing in the particular column. I'll explain the same thing. See, simple thing. So which type of data? Suppose if I go for like, okay, phone number. or employee ID or salary. Okay, these are called as what? Number related thing. We should go for what? Go for number data type. Okay, or else like I'm having name is there, city is there, address is there. Okay, mail ID like okay, so ABC at the rate abc12@gmail.com. Now see, I'm having alphabets are there, numbers are there, special character. We should go for what? We should go for what? We should go for
What?
Text or string.
varchar text or string. Okay, see the same thing. Number and data type, number or integer or float. These are called as number and data type. Same thing. Alphabets, alpha we should go for varchar text char. These are the same function. This is fine. Okay. Next one we just go for what? So date of birth, date of joining, date of registration. We should go for what concept? Go for what?
Date.
Date. So
Mhm.
date, time, timestamp. So these are the functionalities we're having. So see number and data type, varchar, same thing. So true or false. This is where you can store the which
Boolean.
data type?
Boolean.
Boolean data
Boolean.
type. So Boolean. Okay, see number, integer, varchar. So these are called data types. Okay, see true or false. Okay, same thing. Next we're having you see in Snowflake we're having it's like JSON, XML. These are called as semi-structured data. Semi-structured data where we can store in one color is variant. We'll see the same thing later point of time. See, as of now, number, integer, float. This is number thing. So string and this is called as date related thing, boolean and variant data type. Got the point. So this is the functionality. You see. So one more time. So see, these are the number data type. Number related thing store in number data type. So okay, then what happened? Alphabets go for varchar. Date will then go for date. So true or false, boolean data type and variant functionality. Got the point. A simple thing. If you're not able to understand, suppose like I want to store okay water. Where I can store water? Tell me. Water we can store in bottles.
Varchar.
Bottles are normal thing. Okay, so same thing.
Okay.
If I want to store milk, where I can store? Same thing. Bottle or can. Suppose if I want to store eggs, can I store here?
No.
We should store in a tray. So same functionality. Number thing I want to store where? In the number data type. I want to store true or false to go for booleans. So this is the functional, like storing which type of data I want to store in a particular column. Okay, column 1 data type, column 2 data type, column 3 data type. See the same thing, simple use case, simple thing. So create table. I'm going for employee details underscore T. What is T? It's a what? It's a table. So table. So see, like it's a naming standards. Underscore is a table. Okay. Underscore is V what? It's a what? View. Okay. Underscore MV is nothing but say materialized view. Okay, see naming standards, it's like okay, see underscore table view, it's a materialized. Same thing. Always follow the coding. It's a table. Okay, table. So bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. So create table, table name. Now what happened? Now I'm putting employee ID. Employee is what data type? It's a employee. It's a number or integer, anything. Okay, same thing. Employee name. Employee name is what data type? It's a
String.
it's a string. It doesn't matter varchar. I'm putting 40. What is 40 here? Important. 40.
Length of
the
Okay, column length or a data length or column size. Up to 40 size we can able to accommodate. See, maximum of 40. Employee ID number. Employee name varchar. It's a 40. Comma. Next one is that what? City. City is also varchar. Okay, varchar. Okay. I'm putting 30. Okay. Suppose if I go for address is also varchar. Tell me varchar, can I put 10 size?
No.
No, it's a bigger. No, we should put a bigger value. Okay, see bigger value. What about date of joining? How to get date of joining?
Date.
Go for date. Okay, see. So same thing. Mail ID. Mail ID is a combination of words. Alpha new. You should go for varchar. Okay. So varchar. What about salary?
Integer.
Number.
Tell me. Number,
Integer.
no, number, integer or number. Okay, so number. Okay, so this is the functionality. Employee name, city. Okay, if I go for phone, phone is also what? Phone is also number thing. Okay. Okay, so these are the date. This is what? This is what? This is what
Table.
employees. Table name. So table.
Table.
These are what? These are column names.
names.
And
Column
these are the
names.
data type. Data
Types
type.
of that columns.
Data size. Data size. Okay. See, this is the table name, column names, data type, data size. So bracket open and bracket closing. So create table, table name. This is what? New database object creation. How can you create by using which command? By using create statement or create command. Okay, see. So this is the table name, column names, data type, and a data size. Okay, this is so creating a new database object. Now question is that what? Now if I write here this statement, the table get automatically created. Tell me. So this is
No,
important.
first we need to
Now
create the database.
let's see what happened.
Create
So
the
this
database.
is okay. See, create. So table name, employee ID. This is fine. No, this is we are writing in what? We are writing in Notepad plus. So this is for only for writing the queries. Now what happened now? If I want to create any database object, first what should require? We should require what? We should require one database require. Okay, see database. If I want to create database, what I should require? I should require one Snowflake account. Tell me, Snowflake account require any software or anything? Tell me.
No.
It's because it's a SaaS
SaaS
thing,
model.
SaaS model. See, you should understand the connect the dots. See? So now I want to create one database object. Compulsory I should require one database. Database sitting where? In the Snowflake account. It's a SaaS model. It's a simple thing. Okay, let me open. So now we are trying to create Snowflake account. See, Snowflake login. Okay, see, Snowflake login. Okay, see, first one, Snowflake web user interface. Okay, see, click on this thing. So it says start for, it's a free will be there. Okay, 30 days free trial will be there. So see, start for free. Okay, see, so start your 30-day free Snowflake. It's include 400. Okay, see, now point is that what? Now we should have, like we are creating one Snowflake account. Tell me why we are trying to create Snowflake account. Anyone?
We need a
Create
data.
a database.
To practice
Tell me.
SQL.
So it's to
Data.
communicate with the Snowflake. Okay, we want to make it of. So see one database. So for this purpose, I'm trying to create one Snowflake account. Okay, see. So give the basic details. Okay, company name. So we should give our personal mail ID. Okay. So understand the function.
In
It is
SQL,
simple.
what types is there now? What
In
type of
SQL.
SQL? Like some Oracle SQL. What type
So
of
then,
SQL now?
so it's a ANSI SQL. You can say ANSI SQL.
ANSYS.
ANSI. Okay. It's a ANSI SQL. So here point is that what if you know Oracle database or SQL server, okay, or Postgre. Okay, see what happened, how they are communicating with all this thing with the help of what? With the help of SQL only. Suppose like, so see if you know English, tell me I can communicate with all the English people, same thing here also. If you know SQL, I can communicate with the database or SQL server, Postgre, little bit syntax will be different, little bit syntax, that's it. Okay.
Oh.
Sir, does it follow crude and acid property?
Yes, yes, property supports.
Okay.
It's a normal database, it supports also. See, company name ABC. Tell me what is our role? What's our role? What's our role?
Developers.
Developer. See, we can put developer or data engineer. Okay, see. So you can give anything, but as of now, so we are developer or data engineer. So data. Okay, see, then so India. So same thing. Continue. Now see, we'll see the same thing later point of time. So go for enterprise edition and choose. So Snowflake supports multi-cloud, Azure, web services, GCP. As I now put anything, I'm going for AWS and I'm going for Okay, US is over here. Anything? Okay. Now tell me now what happened. Now I'm putting here. I'm selecting now what happened. Now my client is where? So client is a US client. US client. Okay. If I put okay, so Asia is a Asia client. Okay. Now what happened? Now I'm going for US is no because my client is there. I'm working for US client. I'm putting US. A simple thing. Get started. We can skip. We can skip all this functionality. We can skip. So got the pointer is the functionality. Okay, so got the pointer. See now we'll get one mail. Okay, see simple thing. Remember Snowflake is a what? It's a SaaS model. What is SaaS model? We are not installing any software or any hardware. So creating account in the Google cloud or in the Google and we are trying to make it working. So save them. Tell me in real time who will get all this setup? Which guy in real time?
Admin.
Which
Admins.
admin? Snowflake admin. We are Snowflake developers. Okay, real time what happened? Who will come? Who will do all the setup? Which guy? Which guy? The Snowflake admin guy. Admin. So we are Snowflake developers. So see the same thing. So see first step is to see create. Okay, create what? We need to communicate with what? With the SQL. So SQL worksheet. SQL. So simple thing, one more time. So see, first one will be like this. Now what happens? So create our SQL worksheet. Okay, so give the name. So day one. So it's the best practice. So day one, DDL commands. We are discussing DDL commands. So see, so day one, DDL command. Now point is that what? Copy the same thing, Control C and put here. Okay, where? Control V. Okay, now see. So we can able to use this functionality or we can put here and use the shortcut that is Control plus Enter is the shortcut. Now see, Control Enter. Tell me it work. Says cannot perform create table. So this is called as one session. So this is one session. See what saying? Cannot perform create table because this session doesn't have any database. Now point is that what if I want to create anything compulsory what I should require? I should require what? I should require
Database.
so database should be there. So see before that what happened, remember? So what you're trying to say, it is used to create a new database object. Where exactly in the database? First we should have one database should be there. So before that you should have understanding of database environments. Okay, or database instances. Anybody knows sir, in real time we'll have different database instances, different environments. What are things? Anybody knows sir? Environments?
Development.
So
Testing, production.
development. Okay, these are the dots. No, don't worry. See, 1-2 sessions. If you trace, we can able to understand this functionality. Okay, simple thing is that what if I want to create database object, compulsory I should require one database. Again, these are development database. Okay, see, testing database, user acceptance database. So pre-production database. Okay, prod. That remember production database. So generally we'll work in mostly in which environment? Mostly in the development environment. Okay, so this is simple thing. Okay, see functionalities. So functionality is that what now I want to create one database object. Compulsory I should require one database environment. Okay, so simple thing. Let me create one development database. So create database dev DB. So dev DB, nothing but say what? It's a development database. So see development database, same thing. So create schema. So dev ESC. So see development database, development schema. See refresh. Now we'll get our database, development database, our schema, development schema. So this is the functionality. So create database, database name. Create schema, schema name. Create table, table name. What is the purpose of create statement? Just now say what? It's a what? It's a DDL statement. Okay, what's the purpose of DDL statement? It is to create new database objects. What database objects it will create? It will create new database new schema, new tables, okay, and views. Okay, see, as of now, with the help of create statement, I create new database, new schema, and a new table. What is shortcut? Shortcut is what? Shortcut is what? Shortcut is what? To execute the statement, control plus
Control enter.
enter. Control enter. Okay, control enter. So this is the functionality. See, this is a simple thing. So see, create table, table name. Okay, see, now what happened? Now by using query, I want to find what is my database name, schema name. Simple thing. See, these are basics and very, very important. Select the current database. Current schema. Okay, see, control enter. Okay, see the same thing. So dev db, dev schema. So current database, current schema. So see, this is the database. Control enter, current database, current schema. So in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. So everything is a commands. Okay, how to get list of tables? Show tables. Okay, see the same thing. This is important. If I want to find my current database, how to find current database? By using what? By using select select current database. Same thing. Okay, same thing. I want to get schema. How to get schema? Current schema. Okay, same thing. I want to get list of tables. How to get list of tables? Show tables. Okay, see, same thing. Or it's like list of databases. Same thing. How to get show databases. See, everything is a show command. List of databases. Okay, see, 3 databases are there. Which is our database? It's a DevDB. So DevDB. Okay, see, it's a is current. So simple thing. Show tables, show database. Same thing. I want to find list of schemas. Go for show schemas. Okay, show schemas. Okay, now which schema are working? Which schema? Dev schema. See, here is current is active. So is schema. Show tables, show databases, show schemas. One more time, if you're not able to understand, let me go back here. I want to create test database. Syntax, create database, test db. Control. See now what happened? So see, refresh. See, test1 database. Now see, test1 database is populating. Next, what I should create? Create one schema. So test sc underscore sc. So control enter. Now see, it is getting populated. Now by using query, now I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name. How to find? How to find? Select current database, comma, current schema. Okay, so this is same thing. So current database, current schema. Okay, same thing. In this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. Tell me, we should go forward. Show tables. As of now, any tables are no tables are there. Now I want to create table. How to create by using which command? Create statement or create command. Simple thing. I'll try to give one use case. You should give answer. The simple thing. We'll see the use cases. Now see what happens. Suppose see, I want to register one thing. See, click on add member. Okay. Now what happens? A simple thing. You should say the answer. I'm giving my basic details. Okay. I'm selecting Aadhaar card and I'm giving number and I'm saving this thing. Tell me, when I save this thing, what will happen? Background, what will happen?
It will create a new record in the database.
database. First we should have what? So Snowflake perspective, assume like first I should have one Snowflake. Snowflake account
Yes.
should be there. For account, tell me what happened. Do we need to install any software? No, because
No.
it's a SaaS model.
SAS.
No need to install any software or any hardware. Create account in the Google and try to make it working. Next, what happened now? I should have one. What I should have one development database. Then I should have what? Development schema should be there. Okay. Then what
So
happened now?
what
I
is
should
schema actually?
schema is like a logical representation of database object. You see, schema is a logical representation of database objects. Okay, see database objects. Okay, so first we should have one database, one schema should be there. Tell me how can I create database and schema by using which command? Which command?
Create.
Create, no, create statement or create command. Okay, so create. Okay, next one is that what's the word? It's a DDL statement. So this is fine. Now database is there, schema is there. Now what happened? Now I want to create one object, that is table. How to create table by using which commands? Also by using create DDL. Okay, now tell me the syntax for database. Suppose like see create database Aadhaar DevDB. So DevDB. Same thing. Create schema. Schema. We should give proper naming. Schema Aadhaar Dev SC schema. Okay. Same thing. Next one is that word. Now I want to create one table. Tell me what name I can create for this table. What name?
Registration form.
Now question is that word. Now I want to create one table name. Okay, what's the table name we can give? We'll see the questions later. Tell me what's the table name.
Other registration.
Tell me. It's a other. Tell me create. We'll see the questions 1 second. Okay, tell me. So create table. Table name. What table name I can say? Other registration. Other vaccine registration underscore T. What is T? It's a table kind of thing.
Table.
So bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Now tell me now this is what? Name is what data type? Name is what data type? Say varchar. I'm putting something like 40. What is 40 here? 40 is what? Say data size or data length. Okay. So gender is what data type? Gender is what data type? Say it's also varchar, no? Varchar. Okay, varchar of 10. Okay. Next one is that what I'm going for year of birth. Tell me year of birth is what? Year of birth is, it's a what?
Date.
Data. Tell me.
Yeah.
So 1998, 2000, 2001. This is data.
Number.
It's a number, no? It's a number. So see number. Okay.
Only year means.
Number. Suppose see if I go for 2012. Okay. And not only this is what? DD, This is called as what?
Date.
Date. So see, this is only year. It's a number. It's a date. We are having date, month, year. It's a date. Okay. See now, comma, date of birth. Say date. Okay. So date. Okay. Next one is photo ID proof. I'm going for other thing. Okay. See. So photo ID. Okay. We'll see the same thing later. 1 second. Hold on. So varchar. Then photo value. Photo value is what data type? Tell me this is what?
Number.
This is what? Number. Suppose see what happened. I selecting passport. Tell me passport is a combination of. Tell me it work. Now we should go for number or what?
Varchar.
Varchar. So see photo value. It's a varchar. So see the same functionality. Something I'm putting the size. Okay, see the same thing. And now tell me before that. Is it good looking, this statement?
No.
No, we should always follow coding alignment or coding standard. So see the same thing. So see this is called as, so see the same thing. We should put like this. Okay. So this is called as coding alignment. So this is the practice. Okay. If you go for MNCs, now they'll expect this coding alignment. Okay. See, all the things should be in one. Okay. We'll see the questions. Okay, once we come in, we'll ask them. Okay, see. So bracket open and bracket close. So name, gender, year of birth. These are called as what? These are called as
Column
column.
names.
Column name. This is
Name
data type, data size,
of the
table
columns.
name. So table name, column names, data type, and the data size. Okay, this is the basics. Okay, this is fine. Next point is that what now? Tell me now. It will create automatically. Where I should execute? Where?
It is in
Where I should
SQL.
execute?
In Snowflake.
In Snowflake account. Let me open Snowflake account. Okay, so open one more session. Okay, now what happened? Control. Tell me it work. Tell me
One to
it
the
work.
database.
Control
So
enter.
first what we should have? We should have what? We should have what?
Database and schema.
So first
Database and
database should be, schema should be there. So see, create database. So it's a what? It's a other DevDB. It's a development database. Control enter is the shortcut. Now see, it is getting populated. Same thing, create one schema. So create schema, other development. Okay, SC. So SC. Okay, control enter. Okay. Now point is that what by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name. Tell me by using what? Select
Current database.
So
current data. We can go for show database or you can go for current database, current schema. Shortcut is what? Control enter. Okay, see, control enter. Okay, see, this is fine. So now database other DevDB development schema. Now what is shortcut? Control enter. Now see, it's showing some issue. What is issue? Anybody is showing it? Is issue with? Okay.
Naming convention.
So see here, point is that what? Okay, see. So we should not have the spaces. Okay, spaces. So practice that what? Makes of underscore. So spaces are not accepted directly. We should put in a, we can put in a double quotes. Okay, can put in double quotes, but this is not a recommended thing. Okay, we can put, I think, okay, so this is not. So you should put what? We should put
Underscore.
Okay, see, underscore. Okay, see, underscore is the practice. What is shortcut? Control enter. Okay, how's the list of tables? List of tables by using which command?
Short.
Show tables. Okay, now see, we should have one table. Now I want to fetch this data. How can I fetch this data by using which command?
Select.
Select is what command? Say DRL or DQL. So it's a what? It's a what?
DRL.
Data retrieval or data
Query language.
query language. Okay, data retrieval or data. That is what? That is what? That is select statement. So see, select statement. Okay. So it's a data retrieval or queries. How can I perform queries or how can I execute queries by using which command? By using select statement. So see, so far discuss DDL statement, that is what? That is create. Now we're discussing DRL, that is select statement. We'll see the same thing later point of time. As of now, we're discussing create statement and select statement. Create, to create a new database object. So to select or to retrieve the existing database data. So select, retrieving or querying. What is syntax for select statement? Select syntax. Anybody? Select
Star from
table
name.
name. So star from table name. Select star from view name. Okay, there are so many things. You see, star from table name. We are discussing table. No, select star from table. What is our table name? Other vaccine registration. Simple thing. Okay, see, select star from our table name. Okay, what's our table name? Control C, Control V. Okay. Control V. Okay. What is shortcut? Control enter. Control enter. See, table has been created. Same thing. We'll see one more use case. Suppose like see. Simple thing. You need to understand what is the functionality is going. Okay. Suppose what happened, I want to go for new connection. Okay, see, this is the same thing. Okay, now what happened? Tell me now what you should have one Snowflake, Snowflake account should be there. Okay, so Snowflake account, it's a SaaS model. Next step is that what I should have? What I should have?
The database.
So database should be there. Okay, so you can put Hathaway database something, Hathaway database. Okay, Hathaway database. Then we should have one schema should be there. Tell me, I want to store this data. First, I should have what? One
Table.
table should be there. Now, point is that what name of the table I can give? What is the name I can? What is the name I can give?
Customer info.
What name you can give?
Customer info.
Okay, like inquiry, customer inquiry, or like Hathaway registration, something like table. Okay, see, simple thing. Let me go back to the Snowflake. Okay, see Snowflake. Okay, so copy everything and put here. So like this only we need to go step by step. So remember, all the data come from the database tables only. See the same thing. So create one database. So create database Hathaway database. So database has next one is that create one schema. So see naming and putting so dev.db. Okay, so dev.db. So dev SC. Okay, SC. So by using query, I want to find what is my database name. What so select current database. We'll use regularly these commands. Current database. Okay. Current schema. Okay. And what is my name? What is my name? Current user. Current user. Okay. Same thing. Current version. Okay. If you want to find the version, we can go for current version control under. See, we are in Hathaway DevDB development schema. Praveen 1 is my username and 8.44.2. This is the version, current version. We are trying to do the same functionality. So database schema, so username and the version. So this is the functionality. Now I want to create this object. Now how can I create by using which concept? Tell me how to create this by using which concept? Create statement. Okay, see create statement. Okay. So create as syntax that what create table name. So create table Hathaway connection T something. Okay, CT. Okay. Arc Hathaway inquiry
Underscore
T table thing. Okay. Now what happened? Now I go for name is what data type. Name is what data type. It's a varchar string or varchar ending. So varchar of 30. Okay. Next question. Next one is that what next? City. City is what data type? City is what data type? City is what data type?
Varchar.
It's also varchar. Okay. Varchar of 30. Okay. So next one is that what comma? So address is what? It's also alphanumeric. It's also varchar. You should put bigger value. Okay, 100. Okay, comma. Next one is that what? Pin code. Pin code is what? Pin code is what?
Number.
It's a number data type. Okay. So contact number. Contact number is what?
Number.
It's also number will be there. Okay. See now what happened? So see, I'm going for this Praveen. Okay, I'm selecting Hyderabad. Okay. Address Hyderabad. Okay. So pin code is a number. Okay. Phone it's a number. Okay. Get to OTP. Now what happened? Now our data will be stored in my database and data will be coming. So this is the functionality. Got the point. Same thing. Now what happened? Now this is digital DB. Now we can go for this function. So point is that what? So create is a new data. It is used to create new database object. Okay. This is a functionality. Same thing. I have opened one more session. We'll try to conclude this topic. Okay, see Snowflake. Now I want to create Snowflake account. So see, create, start for free. One second. Okay, now see, start for free. Now see what happened. Now see, let me create the same thing. And now tell me now this is who is saving this data. Which guy is saving this data? Which guy is saving this data? Snowflake. Snowflake also what? They need to have one database should be there. Okay, see one schema should be there. One table. Okay, see suppose like see abc@gmail.com. Okay. Now abc. Okay. Okay, roll. Click on continue. When you click on continue, what happens? So our data will be stored in database object. First, what they should have one database should be there, one schema should be there, and data should be there. Okay. Now tell me they're using development database or production database. This data, tell me. This data they store in production or development database. This data production database. But we are working for development. This is real time. It's a production data because data is storing permanently. That's a production database. Okay, see one more time. We'll try to conclude so that we can see the rest of sessions tomorrow. Now see, we discussed what is Snowflake. Okay, now how to communicate to Snowflake? How to communicate? By using which concept? SQL thing. So SQL, by using SQL, we are trying to communicate to Snowflake. Again, SQL is divided into what? SQL statement, that is DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DCL. So these are the commands. So DDL, DML, TCL. These are the commands we need to do. If I want to communicate with the Snowflake, we should make some of these commands. So far discussed what? DDL it is. So create statement. DRL we discussed. Select a statement. We'll see the same thing, remaining commands in later point of time. Okay, so as of now, you need to create multiple. I'll try to use some tasks, work on it. Okay, see. So see, before creating now, what happened? So we need to give proper naming to the tables and columns. Spelling mistake should not be avoided. This is called as coding alignment or coding indentation. Semicolon should be there. So remember, always write in Notepad++. So make a habit to write in Notepad++. Suppose see, copy the same thing. Control C, open Notepad, normal Notepad. Tell me, is it giving anything? Huh? Now see the same thing, Control V. Tell me it's not good looking. So always open, write in Notepad++. So see, change the language yes to SQL so that keywords will get highlighted. See, now this is not good looking. Now see, go to language, yes, and SQL so that keywords will get highlighted. Got a point? Get the point? So this is the functionality. Create table, table name, column names, data types, data size. So data size. This is the functionality. Got the point? See, and your task is to what? Okay. So these are the tables. Okay, see, these are like almost 5 to 10 tables are there. So create with proper naming. Suppose see what happened now. I want to create this table. What I should give? I should have one database, one schema, pathway connection details. First name is what data? It's a varchar. What about mobile?
Number.
Landline?
Numbers.
Landline have like spaces will be there, plus symbol. We'll go for what? We'll go for varchar. Okay. So sometimes spaces will be no spaces. Okay. What about email? Varchar. So pin code? Number. Inquiry details? Varchar. Can you put 10 size?
No, 100.
No. So because no, like it's a inquiry, no, they'll have like most like they'll have the text kind of thing. So they'll put some large value. So we can put 500 something. So your task is to create these tables. Okay. So that you'll be comfortable the same functionality. Okay. Got a point. So create these match tables. So this pathway connection, beneficiary details, payment details. Okay. EPFO details. So these are the table you need to create. Okay. With the coding standards and proper alignment. Okay. So see and also suffer. We'll try to